Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome, y'all. I'm out here at the park that I usually fly at, Squirrel Park I call it. And I'm out here with one of my drones, y'all. Got a brushless drone out here. Kind of proud of this one. Anxious to fly it. This is going to be the maiden flight for this one. I actually took my junior racer that I modded with Walksnail and dropped it in on an 85mm frame. So I took the frame from the 85X from BetaFPV and I dropped this on there. So this is the Walksnail system. This right here is the HD0 camera system from the Mobila 7 or no, the Mobila 6 HD0 system, and I just modified it. This thing is a Franken build, yep. And I think these are 40mm props though, from Gem Fan, 4-bladed, and we got a 450 under here, 2S from GMB. I do have some other batteries on deck though, so I got a little 3S right here from LDARC. 300 milliamp hour. Same thing with this one here. I can't remember the brand of this one right here. Can't remember. Anyway, it's irrelevant. Got a 2S right here. We're gonna possibly fly this quad with this 3S right here too. Got a little army ant over here bothering me. There's a couple of them over here actually. So let me hurry up and get this guy up in the air before one of these ants bite me or sting me or something. Let's get it. Alright y'all, I'm actually feeling a little dangerous. I'm gonna fly it right here from in the middle of the street, but I'm leaning on my car though. I hope I don't get hit by some oncoming traffic or something run over my phone or something. But let's try to get it, y'all. Drop this guy right there. Try to go too far with it. Decided to fly over here in this little area over here because a lot of people over here. Remember, I got that far sky. Don't want to lose signal all the way up here. I don't know why I like flying over the trees. There's a squirrel around here behind me. There he is. hopefully. Look like there's a little few dents over there, y'all. Look. We almost under the fire, y'all. Let's turn back around. Huh? That's supposed to be going to get it. A little more punch. Wow, this thing is floaty, y'all. Oh! Hit a tree over top of it. This thing is real floaty. It's hard to drop altitude fast. I don't know what happened just now. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I was trying to do a flip. And the battery must be loose or something. Let me bring it in. I think the battery is loose on it. Look at it. Something seemed like it was getting snagged. I don't know what that was. It was stopping me from doing my roll. Let me try a little line of sight with it. Make sure everything is okay. It seems okay. Let's get back into some FPV, y'all. Landed. I don't know why I was doing that. Maybe it was a signal issue or something. I don't know what the heck that was. Oh, the battery. Maybe it's the battery. The battery is at 3.4. Yes, no battery. This battery isn't that good. You just went down hard. Man, I gotta say, I don't think these goggles are the most comfortable. Oh yeah, it's still doing that. I think it might be a reception issue or something. It stops me from doing my flip over there. I can do my flip over here, no problem now. kind of windy too, y'all. Oh, I didn't see that one. I think we're going to call it. Slow it down. Try to get it landed right in front of it. Alright y'all, so that's all the fun I think I'm going to have with this guy out here. Get home. Just leaving work, y'all. Just had to get a quick flight in with this little build that I had put together this morning. It's the this is the Junior Racer. Again, this is the Junior Racer in an 85X frame with 40mm props and everything from Gem Fan. And this has the HD0 canopy from the Mobilus 6 HD0. And just having fun with it. Still didn't change that receiver out. So I really can't have the fun that I want to have with this guy as far as going crazy with it over top of the trees and all, because it still has that that range issue that FR Sky introduces. I gotta buy me an Express LRS receiver for this guy. Hope you guys are enjoying your week. Thanks for watching.